Aloha. This is the fast and easy way to paint flat two-sided parts. Now I have 2 sets of wingtips for my C7 big wing spoiler. The first step is to prepare the parts for paint and to degrease them and make sure they're clean and ready to go. After you cut out a piece of cardboard that's bigger than the parts, you're going to want to put a shop towel down, and that will keep the overspray from getting to the back side. So now these parts are ready to get painted, and the first one I'm going to paint carbon flash black, and then I will tell you the rest of the steps. Okay, one side is black. Now you might want to just go ahead and clear over it, but that's a mistake. You want to make sure you get coverage of the base coat on both sides before you clear it. So basically what I'm going to do now is let this dry for about 20 minutes, change the paper towels, turn them over, and do the same thing. Then right after they flash on the second side, then you can add the clear coat. Make sure you get all the way around the edges, and then give that 20 minutes and flip it over again, change the paper towels, and clear the final side. That's the easy way to paint two-sided parts, and the finish will come out great. Aloha and stay safe.